Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gnosis Safe with MetaMask and session keys step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Gnosis Safe website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the installation process. Choose the option to create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. If you haven't installed MetaMask yet, you'll need to do that first. Once MetaMask is installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser to open it. Log into your MetaMask account using your credentials. Ensure you have some Ethereum in your MetaMask account to cover gas fees. After logging in, return to the Gnosis Safe interface. Click on the Next button once your MetaMask wallet is connected. You'll need to give your Gnosis Safe a name. Select the owners of the Gnosis Safe by adding wallet addresses. You can add multiple wallet addresses if desired. Set the required confirmations for transactions. Once you have added all necessary owners and set the requirements, proceed to the next step. Review all the information you've provided. If everything looks correct, click on Create. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the gas fees and confirm the transaction. Your Gnosis Safe will now be created. You will receive a unique safe address. Make sure to save this. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in your Gnosis Safe interface. Select the Session Keys option from the Settings menu. Click on Create Session Key. Enter the necessary details for your session key, including expiration time. Review the settings and click on Generate. MetaMask will prompt you again to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your session key will be created and displayed. Make sure to record any important information related to the session key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.